Okay, so we're going to take a look at some hip external rotation stretching. Now what we really want to do is we want to sit in a 90 position. So the front leg here is at 90 degrees, and then the same deal here with the back leg bent out at 90 degrees. Now I can use the other hand for support here and sit in the stretch position, okay? Just inclining forward, starting to feel the stretch in the hips. Or if you've got a yoga block, an ab mat or anything like that, just to make the stretch probably a little bit easier and maybe even get a little bit more range of motion. Now I can sit up in this position without worrying about using the hands too much, or I can sit here with the hand on the foot, trying to keep the shoulders nice and square. So what we're going to do is we're going to sort of hang out in this position, nice flat back, leaning forward as much range as you've got here, and keeping that 90-90 position. After 2 minutes of hanging out in this position, what I want you to think about without coming out of the stretch is you're going to push the side of the shin. So the knee and the ankle, you're trying to push down into the floor as hard as you can. You're going to activate the glute on this side. So we're pushing down and we're activating the muscle that we're trying to stretch. So you should feel glute contraction. So you'll push down, build the pressure, get to 100%. We're going to hold that pressure for 15 seconds. Then we'll slowly relax. And then I want you to imagine that you're trying to pull the leg towards your chest. We're not going to come out of the stretch, so if I was in this position and I push down, then I'm actively trying to pull the leg up and I'm trying to get myself deeper into the stretch. I'll find a new range and then I'll push down again and build the pressure, and we'll go from there. So I'm actually going to do this. So I'll set the clock. I'm going to hang out here for 2 minutes. Okay, so I'm coming to the end of the 2 minutes now. When I get there, I'm now going to start to build the pressure. So not coming out of the stretch, I'm going to try to push the knee and the ankle into the floor and activate this glute. So I'm squeezing now, building to 100%. Now I'm going to hold for 15 seconds, pushing into the floor, nice and strong, nice and active. Focusing still on the breath, keeping everything tight. Okay, got 5 seconds left. Okay, slowly start to relax. Once I get relaxed, I'm going to actively try to pull myself deeper into the stretch. Finding the new range, stopping here. We're going to hold this for 10 seconds. Okay, now I start to build again. So knee and ankle into the floor, pushing, contracting the glute, building. There's 100, pushing down. And we're going to hold again for 15 seconds. Okay, slowly relaxing. Again, trying to lift and pull up. Deeper into the stretch again. Find the new range, hold here for 10 seconds. Okay, last time we're building, pushing the knee and ankle into the floor. Nice and strong, pushing. All right, 15 seconds. The glute's active. Okay, slowly relaxing, pulling in deeper again. So this is the last one. Now we're just going to relax here for 10. And then slowly coming out of that position, okay? Try to keep the chest up, try to keep the back as flat as you can. You're thinking of trying to hinge at the hip a little bit more, try and pull yourself down, keeping the hips square as you go, and hopefully you can start to feel the stretch in the glute.